minus 2 pi minus 3 6y, you end up with 5x plus 3y times 2, that's xy. Rewrite equation 1 minus 2 pi minus 3 6y.
Have I made you sad?
3y times 2,
Have I made
6y.
you proud? Will I ever know how white is the snow? Does it matter after all? Will I ever learn how to fly like birds? Maybe in an hour, in the day, in the week, in 1,000 weeks, in the year.